Now all together. Indriyani manobuddhirasya etain vimohayatyesha jnanavritya dehinam. Indriyani manobuddhirasya etain vimohayatyesha jnanavritya dehinam. Quickly we shall know the contemplation of this shloka. Jayati Parashara Suruhu Satyavati Hridaya Nandano Vyasaha Yasya Asya Kamalagalitam Vanmayamamrutam Jagat Vivati Vyasaya Bhavanashaya Shrishaya Gunarashaye Hridyaya Shuddha Vidyaya Madhvaya Namo Namaha Shankaram Shankaracharyam Shesham Ramanujam Yatim Vayum Chavadhvamacharyam Acharya Trayamaste. Respected dignitaries on the dais, my dear students and the faculties. So we know that we are understanding the concept what Krishna explains behind the karma. So karma concept is well understood by Arjuna. Through Arjuna we are getting the knowledge of this karma siddhanta. So you know very well what happened in the previous shlokas, how karma is going to play an important role, how the indriyas are going to play a very big game. It's going to play a game in our life, indriyas. That is how you need to control these indriyas. How knowledge is being covered by ignorance. That ignorance is because of indriyas. So that is being explained in this shloka. Indriyani Manaha Buddhihi Asya Adhishtanam Uchyate Etaihi Vimohayati Yesha Jnanam Avritya Dehinam. Indriyani Manobuddhihi Asya Adhishtanam Uchyate. Asya means Kasya. You should know the previous shloka, then only you can understand here. Kamasya Adhishtanam. Kama means desires. All the desires are going to take shelter in indriyas only. Indriyani mana. If you don't control in the indriyas, then it will enter into manas. Oh, if you don't control there also in the mind, then it will enter into buddhi. So these are the three stages how it is going to infiltrate in our life. Indriyas, manas and buddhi. So these are going to be the shelter for the desires. Etaihi vimohayati. We get bewildered by these desires. Vimoha. Visheshena moha. Moha means delusion. And especially we are going to become delusioned by this. Etaihi vimohayati yesha. Yesha means who? Who? The sadhaka jiva in this body. The sadhaka jiva in this body is going to get bewildered by that. And these kama, the desires which are going to overrule these indriyas, mind and buddhi, and it is going to completely cover. Ajnanam avritya dehinam. Dehi means here the sadhaka jiva, the soul, the jiva. The jiva in this Panchamahabhuta Sharira is always blocked by our own desires, and it is going to conquer. It is going to conquer indriya, manas and buddhi. Then how to control? That is what Krishna says. Tasmat tvam indriyanyadau. That is the next shloka. How to control that? That is being told by Krishna. That we will discuss in the coming days. Thank you. Hari Om Tat Sat.